Hello students, this video is the continuation of our previous topic, that is frame structure. In this video I am going to discuss about frame structure type 2. Frame structure type 2 is applicable to the time division duplex mode TDD. It is designed for coexistence with legacy systems such as 3GPP, time division, synchronous code division, multiple access based standard, that is TD-SCDMA standard. As shown in figure, each radio frame of frame structure type 2 is of length 10 millisecond, which consists of two half frames of length 5 millisecond each. Each half frame is divided into 5 subframes with 1 millisecond duration. There are special subframes which consists of 3 fields, that is downlink pilot time slot, next guard period GP, and uplink pilot time slot, that is UP-PTS. And are maintained in the LTE time division duplex mode to provide sufficiently large guard periods for the equipment to switch between transmission and reception. The downlink pilot time slot, that is DWPTS. This is the downlink part of the special subframe and can be regarded as an ordinary but shorter downlink subframe for downlink data transmission. Its length can be varied from 3 up to 12 OFDM symbol. Next, the uplink pilot time slot, that is UP-PTS. This is the uplink part of the special subframe and has a short duration with 1 or 2 OFDM symbols. It can be used for transmission of uplink sounding reference signals and random access preambles. Next, guard period, that is GP. The remaining symbols in the special subframe that have not been allocated to DWPTS and UP-PTS are allocated to the guard period, which is used to provide the guard period for the downlink to uplink and uplink to downlink switch. The LTE supports a guard period ranging from 2 to 10 OFDM symbols, sufficient for cell size up to and beyond 100 kilometers. All other subframes are defined as 2 slots, each with a length of 0.5 milliseconds. This figure shows the detailed structure of the first half frame. The second half frame has the similar structure, which depends on the uplink downlink configuration. 7 uplink downlink configurations with either 5 milliseconds or 10 milliseconds downlink to uplink switch point periodically are supported. It is shown in this table, where D and U denotes subframes reserved for downlink and uplink respectively, and S denotes the special subframe. Thank you.